Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize pop-up apps using Privy on Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize pop-up apps using Privy on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. On the left sidebar, click on Apps to access your installed applications. Search for Privy in the search bar if you have not already installed it. If Privy is not installed, click on Visit the Shopify App Store and find Privy. Once you locate Privy, click on the app, then click Add App. Follow the prompts to install Privy onto your store. Once Privy is installed, return to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Privy app. After opening Privy, you'll see an option to create your first pop-up. Select the type of pop-up you want to create, such as a newsletter sign-up or an exit intent pop-up. Customize your pop-up using the built-in tools. After designing your pop-up, locate the Settings section within Privy. In the Settings, find the Authorization tab. Click on Authorize to allow Privy permissions to access your Shopify store. Follow any prompts to confirm the authorization process. Make sure to review and adjust your pop-up targeting settings as needed. Once everything is set up, click on the Save button to keep your changes. Now your pop-up is authorized and ready to go live on your Shopify store. You can track your pop-up performance directly within the Privy dashboard. Feel free to make adjustments and optimizations as you see fit to enhance user engagement. This completes the process of authorizing pop-up apps using Privy on Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.